I found this strategy in a related video on YouTube. The person introducing the strategy said it's a strategy where it's impossible to incur losses. After testing various products, it seems that there were cases where the win rate exceeded 90%. Now, let's verify whether this testimony is true on TradingView. This project aims to comprehensively verify every method, logic, strategy, system, indicator, and even questionable techniques from around the world to see if they truly lead to wins. There are questionable strategies found on every medium, including YouTube and blogs. Let's expose such fraudulent strategies. Conversely, if a strategy has a good win rate on this channel, it might really be a good one. So, if you find the ideas in the strategy useful for your trades, it would be encouraging if you could subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Today, let's verify this suspicious strategy. The MACD buy-sell strategy. It's the one on the screen over here. What is the MACD buy-sell strategy? This strategy can be used on TradingView. I tried verifying it with the recent price chart of Ethereum. Reproducibility even for beginners. It is suitable for trading in shorter time frames such as 5, 15, and 30 minutes. These indicators are 100% free. Now, let's verify if this strategy truly leads to wins. Introducing the indicators used in the MACD buy-sell strategy. Dynamic levels breakouts. To add this, access the indicators on TradingView. Search for dynamic levels breakouts and select it. It is a powerful tool designed to identify dynamic support and resistance levels in price action. It plots these levels on the chart and provides visual signals for bullish and bearish breakouts. The settings of the indicator allow you to customize the period. The higher the value, the less sensitive the signals become. Conversely, the lower the value, the more sensitive the signals respond. In this strategy, it is recommended to set the value to 14. To make the chart more readable, disable the plot in the style section. The dynamic levels breakouts indicator excels during trending conditions. The dynamic levels breakouts tends to be weak in range-bound markets. To compensate for that weakness, we add the MACD bands multi-timeframe by TradeMaster. MACD bands multi-timeframe. Access the indicators and search for MACD bands multi-timeframe. Then select it. MACD is a classic indicator used for following trends, utilizing moving averages to identify changes in momentum. It is useful for identifying changes in trend, overbought and oversold conditions, and trend reversals. Since this indicator is multi-timeframe, it is more effective than the regular MACD. Let's take a look at how the multi-timeframe feature works. Here, different setting options such as source, type of moving average, bands multiplier, and timeframe are displayed. By default, the current timeframe is enabled, but this option can be changed. You can select a 1-hour timeframe instead of the current one. This modification will make the MACD smoother and less responsive to sudden price fluctuations. It is recommended for this strategy to set the MACD timeframe 3 levels higher than the current one. If you are using a 15-minute chart, set the MACD timeframe to 1 hour. For example, if you are using a 5-minute chart, set the MACD timeframe to 45 minutes. Next, open the indicators and search for Supertrend Zone under Omega Tools. The Supertrend Zone indicator is a tool designed to identify the optimal zones for traders to enter by rethinking the usage of the standard Supertrend indicator. In the settings, you can select the length of the ATR, average true range, and the factor of the indicator. Additionally, you can also modify the multiplier for the width of the zone. This indicator provides to different Supertrend indicators. The first one displays the zone of the selected settings. On the other hand, the second one doubles the selected parameters, and it can be used to determine the direction of the long-term trend. Typically, when the slow supertrend and the fast supertrend are in conflict, the market enters a correction phase. It's crucial that the fast supertrend always aligns with the trend indicated by the slow supertrend. For example, if the slow supertrend is bearish, you cannot go long even if the fast supertrend is showing bullish momentum. Related, I tested a simple MACD plus EMA indicator strategy. Key points of the strategy: be mindful of the trend. Adjust the values for dynamic levels breakouts, modify the values for MACD bands multi-time frame. MACD buy sell strategy explanation. Time frame, no limit. Currency pairs, Forex and cryptocurrencies. For short trades, MACD experiences a death cross, indicating a bearish market. Supertrend indicates a bearish market. Go short when a SELL signal appears. Take profit. Risk to reward 1 to 2. Stop loss. Short-term supertrend. For long trades, MACD makes a golden cross and enters a bullish market. Supertrend turns bullish. Go long when a buy signal appears. Take profit. Risk to reward 1 to 2. Stop loss. Short-term supertrend. MACD buy sell strategy backtest results. For this review, the period tested is from June 1st, 2023 to September 22nd, 2023, spanning 113 days, 3 months and 21 days. The currency pair used is Ethereum USD on a 15-minute time frame. This somewhat arbitrary number of days has no specific meaning. It's simply the number of days that were available for backtesting on TradingView. What I felt from trying the test, I think achieving nearly a 50% win rate with a risk-reward of 122 is a good result, with an entry frequency of about once every 5 days. Monitoring multiple currency pairs seems to provide a good number of entry opportunities. Days elapsed, 113 days, total trades, 25 times. Winning trades, 12 times, losing trades, 13 times, total profit, 91.28 pips. Total gain, 284.52 pips. Total loss, minus 193.24 pips. Profit factor, 1.47, win rate, 48%, loss rate, 52%. I asked ChatGPT for improvements to the MACD buy sell strategy. The video would become too long, so if you're interested, please check out the blog. Conclusion of MACD buy sell strategy. How was it? If you're interested, please try it with various currency pairs. If there are any websites, YouTube channels, or dubious strategies that viewers are curious about, please let me know. I'd love to test out anything that seems verifiable. Well then, this has been Pakan.